got our new Starlink box here. Got our receiver. We're gonna try and Hunter's gonna help. We're gonna do a opening, unboxing. Got our nice logo there. Okay, got the base.
A base. What's that piece?
That is the receiver right there.
Whoa, it's a receiver.
Whoa, it's the receiver. Hold up, let's leave that there. Big old long cord attached to it. And we're gonna go plug it in. There's the other end. I think that goes in the router. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. We're still trying to figure out where we're gonna put this, but for now we're gonna tie it into the outdoor kitchen just to just get it tied in and do a test run here. Okay, anywhere with a clear view of the northern sky, and it has a on the app. You have a thing here. I'm going to show you. You can do check for obstructions. Okay, I'm ready. And then it wants you to point at the sky and shows all the dots. And you just do a little loop all the way around. You do view results. And this is from where we're standing. We actually put it a little bit further away, where it's not even as close to the camper as what it was. But it shows you clear view and obstructions. And then you can look. So right now there's no obstructions, so we're good. Wire comes already attached. Pretty straightforward. All right, perfect. And we're just going in here because we have a 110 outlet right there, and so we're just going to try this out for the night, just to test it out. What I'd like to do is go onto the roof and either do a permanent mount or figure out some sort of way to mount it up there and put the router inside. Okay, this is a wireless router for Starlink, and pretty straightforward. We need, oh, we're getting wet, we're getting wet. We picked a bad spot.
Sprinklers.
Our moose stocking spot is right next to the
Sprinklers.
right next to the sprinklers. Okay, so pretty straightforward. Outlet into the three-way switch here, or three-way outlet.
Move.
Into there. Just gonna plug in. We're gonna plug this in. I think we've got a USB-C here. We're gonna check. Oh, that's like an oversized one. This guy, it's got a weatherproof seal on there. Try and keep everything dry right into the unit here. That's all plugged in. We got electricity. We planned this out really well. We're dodging sprinklers now. Come on. All right. Lights on. There's no light switch, or no switch on and off, so I don't see a way to turn it on. But the light is on down here. I think that'll be it. And this has enough of a gap. And close this and put it in there for tonight. We're gonna put it on the, we're gonna find a way to hardwire it or get it into the camper. Right now we're dodging sprinklers, so we're just putting it in here. It's watertight, it's away from everything. We've got it set up out there and we're ready to get it going. All you gotta do is create a network name, add a password, and then just re-sign in to the actual account. That way you're linked to it. So we're set up now. We'll do that. Brings you back to the app. You say okay. Now you're connected to control it. So after everything's said and done, when you plug it in, you got to let it do its little thing. You watch it kind of going back and forth, getting ready to go. And it says offline for a minute, and it takes a few minutes to calibrate. And then it says online. And because we run our own wireless network in the camper through our PepWave mobile router, what I did was I signed on to the Starlink network with our PepWave mobile router, which is mounted up there, and that broadcasts our wireless signal around. But that way it runs the computers, it runs the TV, it runs everything. Everything's up and running. We did a speed test. There you go. Android, internet. Six, 120. As high as 120, 112, 112. We'll take it. Okay, this is the router internet speed you can see up here. I don't know how that's slower, but and those of you that understand internet, you can explain this to me. All I know is bigger numbers equals good. Oh, this is off my phone because it's an Android to the router. So, here you are. Live numbers from Haxton, Colorado. It's in the northeast corner of Colorado. And I'm sure you get big variances, but we have nothing in the sky to block us, and that's where we're at. Alright, and that's what happens when you put it in stow mode and it's ready to go. So then, I think that's just, I don't think it even...
There's a button on the front.
Is there a button on it?
Pinky. Your pinky, right pinky.
Right pinky.
Right hand, pinky.
There's no button. Oh, there's a button right there. You have to be smarter than the common sense button to release it. Okay, squeeze the button, pull them apart, and it's ready to stow. So we'll go find a nice soft spot that's not going to ruin it and put it away.
Thanks for watching this week's episode. Tune in next week as we explore the Great Sand Dunes National Park.